Song. Who shouted Sweet Caroline? Absolutely right. Her favourite song, it's on the jukebox in Buckingham Palace. She's always borrowing 10 pence off Prince Charles to pop in on the jukebox. So we thought, why not head in? We get ourselves a bit, you know, excited and ready for the big beacon switch on by a bit of Sweet Caroline.
Oh no.
We're honoured to have with us this evening the Queen's representative in the Deputy Lieutenant of East Yorkshire, Nick Hilliard, and his wife Pippa. Can we have a round of applause, please? Can I also draw your attention, I can't see it very well from here, and I'm starting to lose my voice. There is a young tree which is planted over there. It's an oak tree and it's planted to mark Her Majesty's Platinum Jubilee, and it's there for posterity, for future generations, and let's hope it grows into a mighty oak tree in decades to come.
Minutes time. But before that, to play his Sunset and to play his Majesty, please welcome Second Lieutenant Meade, Sergeant Dickinson, Sergeant Barton and Sergeant Pierce.
If this bloke is blowing the bulldog, if it's he's icing the thing, it's going to be a lot. Yeah, no. I was up to the
Thank you very much. Second Lieutenant Meade, Sergeant Dickinson, Sergeant Barton and Sergeant Pierce. They play the Sunset and Majesty, and we're not long until the beacon is being lit, not only here, but at 3,000 venues across the United Kingdom. So
it's gas.
3 cheers for Her Majesty the Queen. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
thank you, David. The beacon in Heading is lit.
Yay!
And very shortly, St Augustin's Church bells will ring out across Heading.
not gone to the church to get the bell.
Are you feeling a bit warmer now?
A bit late ringing.
Yeah.
We needed that, didn't we?
Hey, sun went off.
It's a gas or an electric
3,000
thing.
beacons have been lit across the United Kingdom in honour of the Platinum Jubilee of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. And plenty happening over the next 3 days in Heading as well. Don't forget Headfest getting underway tomorrow at 1 o'clock with a parade through the town and activities in the church and also down at Far Bank as well. Bedding away nicely tonight, and you will hear the church bells from St Augustine's ringing very shortly to signify the start of the Queen's Platinum Jubilee in Heading.
Star Wars. Oh dear. Yeah, Rolls Royce.
Where was it? In the middle of the market. He's around today.
Mealy Moo. Jubilee. Hello, sweetie. He's laughing. Millie, they're not real, it's a soft toy. They're just pretend corgis, I mean. It's not going to get you, don't worry, they're not going to come in here. They've all gone now, they've gone. They've gone. Oh, they're running around. They're running around. What are they doing? I know. Are you watching them? That's it then. That's it now. They're all done. All the little corgis. Funny dog.